One question people ask me is, share me the roadmap to upskill into the cloud. There are around 200 plus fully functional AWS services available today, and people get overwhelmed where to start, how to take the approach of it. Welcome to the channel. Myself Vasan. I'm 5x AWS certified, and we'll be talking about DevOps, infra, and more in this channel. If you look from the bird's eye view of these 200 plus services which is offered by AWS, all these can be categorized into just 7 categories. It's also the same being listed in the AWS official website as well, where you can click on each categories and see what are the services that would get covered under. I always recommend people to start with the services that is relevant to their job role or to their desired destination. If you are a database admin, then it makes sense to start from the database services. If you are into machine learning into, then start with the machine learning services and goes on. But there is one service which might not fall under any of this category, that would be the IAM. So irrespective of what service, what domain you choose, always be strong in the IAM. You know how to write the IAM policies, how to test the IAM policies, so that you can self-troubleshoot whenever in the job role where you get access denied, to understand what exact permission you lack. If you are a fresher, then you can consider starting with the common services like storage, compute, and serverless, because irrespective of any role or any domain you would choose, you can't skip these 3 services at all. Once you start with the services that is more relevant to you and the services which you can relate it with, then upskilling in the cloud is just an easy piece of cake for you. Cloud is just a way how you can do it by limiting the hardware part. You also need the core skill set of the technology that you are going to relate it with the cloud. For example, if you're targeting for DevOps related services, then you would need to know the core concepts of pipeline and those concepts around that. If you're into like data science you are targeting for, or machine learning, then you might be need to be strong in the foundation models and how to do that, or strong in the Python. So don't just focus towards the cloud, but also the core technology, the core domain that you are going to relate the cloud with. Hope you got the clarity which service you are going to start with and what category you are going to focus on. Now you might reach a question, how to upskill on that specific service or a specific category. Check out the video here, how to get mastered in any AWS services. See you there. Until then, Tata from Vasan. Thanks.